Galaxy S23 Ultra information is here too fast, which includes some of the great stuff we are going to get in the Galaxy S23 Ultra and the things that are getting changed in S23 Ultra. As every passing day we get the good news regarding the S23 Ultra, and today is another good day. Some of you guys want a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner in the Galaxy S23 Ultra, and it seems like Samsung just heard it. As per Ice Universe, it is 100% confirmed that we are going to get a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and the good news is it will be bigger than what we have seen on the previous generations, but not particularly large. What does that even mean? Well, it will be slightly bigger than the S22 Ultra ultrasonic fingerprint scanner, and it will be more accurate since it will have more space for fingerprint reading. But things didn't stop here. We get the screen protector of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and from that, the fingerprint size looks exactly the same, which means Samsung is going to change the technology of a new ultrasonic fingerprint scanner and will go with the same size as this year, although it is not confirmed if this picture is real or not, since Galaxy S23 Ultra will come with a flatter display, much flatter than the S22 Ultra, and to some people, the design of Galaxy S23 Ultra will be much squared off and will be much thicker than the S22 Ultra. Let me know in the comments, which feature do you want to see in the S23 Ultra, and make sure to subscribe to the channel. As per new fingerprint scanner, we are also getting the new protection on the front display and the rear camera of the Galaxy S23 Ultra, the new Gorilla Glass, which will be close to Apple Sapphire Glass, and this same glass will be used on the rear cameras, which will improve the quality and low light imaging. Not just that, Samsung is also going to add a new LTPO 3.0 display, which is 45% power efficient than the last generation, although this will remain on 120Hz refresh rate, but the peak brightness will be improved a lot at 2200 nits instead of 1700 nits on the S22 Ultra. And some of you guys didn't know, it is the highest peak brightness on any smartphone, even more than the iPhone 14 Pro Max 2000 nits peak brightness. Samsung started working on the firmware of Galaxy S23 Ultra, and we were going to get a new One UI 5.1 instead of One UI 5.0 on the S23 Ultra, and Samsung collabed with Google to give the faster updates to the Galaxy devices. So Android 14 with One UI 6 will be out quicker than expected, and as per report, we will see Android 14 on all supported Galaxy devices by the end of next year. Samsung planned to launch S23 Ultra in the first week of Feb, and phones will hit the market on 17th of Feb. If you guys want to see the real 200 megapixel camera sample of Galaxy S23 Ultra, then make sure to watch this video. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.